Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to share your Instagram post to Reddit automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new post on your Instagram account, automatically the same post should be shared on your Reddit account also. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Instagram account and this is my Reddit account. So now I want that whenever I create a new post here on my Instagram account, automatically the same post should be shared on the Reddit account over here also. So I'm just going to create a new post here in my Instagram account. Okay, I'm just selecting this image. Next, let's click on next. I'm just going to give the caption as new use case for Pabbly Connect. Okay, let's click on share. Okay, your post has been shared. So I'm just closing the window and I'm just going to refresh it once again. Okay, and here we can find the post that we have created just now. Now let us check our Reddit account. Let us refresh it. Okay, and here we can find that a new post has been created over here also. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new post here on my Instagram account and automatically the same post is created on my Reddit account also. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Instagram and Reddit, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Instagram with Reddit automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Instagram and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the new post and using those details automatically a new post will be created in your Reddit account. And in this way we'll be learning that how we can create an integration between Instagram and Reddit using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Instagram and Reddit integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the post details to be captured from Instagram. So open this trigger window. Here in Choose App, let us find Instagram. In the trigger event, we have to select new media posted in my account. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Instagram. So Instagram, it is asking for the access now. Let's click on Allow. Authorization successful. And now the Instagram account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Instagram account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Instagram account. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, first let us create a new post into the Instagram account just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just go to the Instagram account and here I'll just click on this plus sign to create a new post. I'll just select the images from my system. Okay, I'll just go to the downloads and from here I'm just going to select this image. Pabbly Connect core integrations. Let's click on next. Next. Here I'm just going to add the caption as Pabbly Connect core integrations. And let's click on share. Your post has been shared. Okay, I'll just close this window and I'll refresh it. Okay, and here we can find our new post. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the new post are captured over here. Here we can find media URL, username, timestamp, permalink as well as the caption. So now we want that using all these details, automatically a new post should be created into the Reddit account. So come to this action window. Here in the application name, let us find Reddit. In the action event, let us select submit an image post. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and connect with Reddit. So hey Pabbly 12, Pabbly Connect would like to connect with your Reddit account. So let's click on allow once again. Authorization successful. And now the Reddit account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Same here, just because I was already logged into my Reddit account. So make sure before creating the connection you are logged into your Reddit account also. Now here we have to map the title, subreddit name and the URL. All the details that we have already received from the Instagram post over here. So we are going to map all these details now. I'm just going to map the title from Instagram and the title was the caption, that is Pabbly Connect core integrations. Now here we have to add the subreddit name. So I'll just take you to my Reddit account and here we can find the subreddit name, that is r/Pabbly Autotest. So I'm just going to give the same name over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here we have to map the URL, that is the image URL of the post. So let us map the image URL from Instagram and the image URL is this one. Okay. And now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our Reddit account. I'm going to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can see that the post that we have created on our Instagram account is posted over here in Reddit account also. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Instagram and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new post and using those details automatically a new post has been created into the Reddit account. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Instagram and Reddit using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.